Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But everyone goes, do you all remember the scandal that took place in 2020 between Monica Mulane and the former TV presenter of Expresso, Katlego Maboyi, when Mulane was recording him confessing to cheating on her and also allegedly giving her an STD that affected her fertility? Yeah. Soon after that, Katlego Maboyi's world crumbled in front of his eyes, Basari Mkosi, because he was, of course, fired from Expresso and also he was removed from the outsurance ad that was playing. Yo, it was happening left, right, and center, and he disappeared. Katlego literally disappeared from our screens, Basari Mkosi, because Haibo, that was embarrassing. Recently, the news, the hot news, have it that Katlego Maboyi's ex-girlfriend and also baby mama Monica Mulane has been arrested after she was found with an illegal firearm that has been reported to be connected to a gang activity in Cape Town. Bathandi Bomkosi, you. This was unexpected. This is a shock indeed. This was, of course, reported by Umaphepha Ndaba. Haibo, what the hell is happening here? From her saying that you gave me an STD which affected or which is affecting my fertility, to her being arrested for allegedly being found with an illegal firearm that is connected to a gang activity. It is reported that she has been allegedly at the custody for over a week now and she'll appear in gate 8 is October at court. We really hope Katlego is safe. And we really hope something good is going to come out of this, like going to get something good, positive, or whatever. Because, Haibo, please do leave your comments down below. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.